to reclaim this land and all land from here, the whole country and beyond. It needs to be brought back down to what's natural.
I thought I was pretty tuned into nature, but like I said, we were slowly being hoodwinked by our food supply. So after opening that first box of bison meat and investigating further on the food supply, that I wasn't just feeding my customer base, but also my family, it made me a little bit more aware of Dan's greater mission, the environmental mission.
I mean, it's all the way down to the emotional level of things. You know, it's all still part of it, so it's good for us to get frustrated and feel defeated by something that's greater than us. And to me, it's the buffalo. They're the symbol of what's greater than us. And they remind us that when it's time to be reminded of it.
Yeah, they check you down and bring you back 100%. To reality. And like you said, you're not in the driver's seat. We never are. There's relationships that we don't even understand and we'll never know. Because buffalo evolved here and they're a keystone species, their relationship with those grasses and the forbs, their grazing habits and their hoof impact, I mean, that allows other species of grasses and forbs to flourish, to express themselves in different seasons, year in and year out. It encourages the diversity that could be here and should be here. It's huge.